receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any time. For the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Including Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.